Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Right, so today I'm back in Lurgan and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be spraying and killing some weed. Now, just before you ask, the police behind me have nothing to do with this weed. This weed is actually weed that's growing up on the roof space, and let's get to work. I'm going to use a glyphosate to kill the weed. This weed was known as a frog toad or a toad ivy is what it's called, a toad ivy. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this weed, if we're going to have a look at it now. So I'm going to be using my respirator because glyphosate doesn't do well on my lungs, so we're going to go ahead and use that. So come on up and let's get going. You want me to go up? Yeah. Oh, crikey. So here we are on a beautiful December morning. It's lovely, you know, after the storm Dara. There'll be a bit of background noise going on because construction's going on at the police station here. So I'm going to move these, and if you have a look, this weed here, look, it's growing throughout the building. There's it there. This is the stuff that is growing behind the mortar and the paintwork. And again, if you come and have a look here, it's growing in behind this concrete render, which is disgusting. See this weed, it is absolutely terrifying how much. The last time I used Nipex pliers and people were absolutely livid by it, so I just used my hand today to show you this. So this weed is actually growing behind the render, and it has been. So I'm going to now basically pour a glyphosate weed killer on this, and I'm going to put my respirator on in order to do that. While I'm doing that, if you have a look again. Hi guys, sorry to interrupt you. A lot of you are not subscribed to my channel. You're getting the beauty of watching my videos, but I do need your subscriptions. Please like, subscribe, and always click the alert button. Up here, it continually grows in, so I have to kill that, and I have to get rid of it. So, on with my respirator. I wonder, can I do this? Can you hear me? There we go. Okay. So, what I'm going to do here is I'm spraying in behind the wall here so that the weeds get injected with this stuff. This is the stuff that's caused the decay on the property. So we'll go upstairs now, take a thumbnail of this room. Move out of the way, Charlie. Okay, so that's that done. We managed to kill the weed that was growing out of the roof space. We'll probably have to go inside because it's reached inside the roof. That is the situation. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you really like what you've seen today, please like and subscribe and follow and comment for more. Thanks a lot.